Hi, Francisco's Automotive. If you're watching this video, it's because you need help in the city of Huntington Beach, Newport Beach on electrical automotive. I'm standing here with Guy. How you doing, Guy?
Hey, good morning.
Guy calls me up this morning. He's got this Peterbilt. He calls me up and he says, I got a Peterbilt with some electrical problems. I said, I don't work on Peterbilt. He goes, look, it's an electrical problem. I got some lights out. So what made you call me?
Well, I looked on the internet and you were the closest one to my mom's place and you had good reviews, and I talked to you and you were able to work around the problem, and even though it's not your specialty, it's your specialty today.
Yeah, and let me tell you, if you need help on an electrical problem in an automobile, a motorhome, give us a call. If you need help on electrical in a regular house, give me a call. Francisco's Automotive, 714-375-2661. I'll refer you to somebody. On electrical, you got to know what you're doing. On this one, we got to figure it out. It took a little bit longer than we thought. It's a Peterbilt. You're out of town, right?
Yeah, from Helena, Montana.
Helena, Montana, huh?
Yes.
But you were from
Yeah, originally raised here in Huntington Beach.
And he left us. He abandoned us. But he came back. But that's okay. Francisco's Automotive. If you need help and you're in the city of Huntington Beach or Newport Beach, you give us a call. 714-375-2661. Call me with any automotive questions. You're going to buy a car, you're going to sell a car, and you got your car somewhere else and you need a second opinion, give me a call. Again, 714-375-2661.